Okay, today we're gonna have a good time, and the train decided to go by just when we're starting, but yeah, love it. We're gonna do some cheesy jalapeno grits in the Dutch oven. So what I'm gonna do first, we're gonna get the water going. So just gonna pour a pile of briquettes there. Just dump all of them there. I'm going to use my 10-inch Dutch oven today, so we'll just set it right on top. Like that. And we have 4 cups of water. Put that in. Then we want about a teaspoon of salt. So this is the Himalayan pink salt crystals today. So we'll do that. So once that starts boiling, we can start cooking the grits. But then the side's going to be campfire bacon, but we're going to do it on the barbecue because it's so dry we can't do a fire. So I'm just using my stovetop Dutch oven right here on the barbecue. So we'll get this going. Yeah, yummy. So yeah, once the water starts boiling, we'll get the grits going, so we'll see you back. Okay, here we go. It's boiling. You can see the steam's coming out of the steam hole there. It's a good way to tell. But yeah, look at that. So let me grab a spoon. We have a cup of grits here, so we'll just kind of stir these in. And then we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Get this cooking. So there's that. Cook it for 5 minutes, then we're going to add a bunch of yummy other recipes to it. Well, let's check out recipes. I mean ingredients. Yummy ingredients. I lit some more briquettes because those will probably burn down. Briquettes last about 45 minutes to an hour, so it's smoking you out, huh, Jenny? But here's the campfire bacon on the barbecue. But look at that. So we'll get the grits cooking, and we'll see you back. Are ready. It's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to pull it off here, put it together. But this is just an 8-ounce cube of cream cheese. I just kind of sliced it. We'll put this in. Yeah, see those grits? Yeah, that's pretty dang good. And then this is a 1/4 cup of cheese. I'm going to put almost all of it because I want to save a little bit for the top. These are hot jalapeno diced. I was going to get fresh, but they didn't even have any at the store, so we're going to use the canned. Yeah, this will give it great flavor. Get those in there, and then a 1/4 cup of melted butter. So do that like that. Let's give it a stir. Get this all melted together. Yeah, we haven't done a video for a couple weeks. Jenny and I are in the middle of moving from Utah to Lava Hot Springs, Idaho, so that's where we're at right now.
We're not in the middle anymore, we're done.
We're about 80%. There's just a little bit still in Utah. I need to go back and get the house ready and sell it. But what we're going to do is, yeah, that's looking good. Holy smoke. Cool. Let's let that go. And now what we have is I beat up 2 eggs. We'll pour this in like that. And then some garlic. How much garlic's here, Jenny?
2 cloves.
2 cloves. Put this in. Once we get this all built, we're going to bake this for about 45 minutes, maybe a little less. We'll probably check it in about 30 minutes. And then just some crushed, not rushed, crushed red pepper flakes. They never shake out of this very good. Like that. So that's looking pretty good. And then we'll just sprinkle the rest of the cheese on here. So I lit some other briquettes, like I said, just to be sure, but they look pretty good. So So with the 10-inch Dutch oven, we want 8 on the bottom. They're burned down a little bit, so there's 4. Let's go with that right there. So 8 on the bottom, and at 375, that looks pretty good. 375, we want, excuse me, 14. So I'll just put 14 on here. We'll let it cook for about 30 minutes, and we'll check it at that point. Okay, it's been about 25 minutes since we started the cheesy jalapeno grits, but look, the campfire bacon, it's done. So we'll pull this off. Yeah, look how good that cooks up. It's just been cooking the whole time. I had 2 burners going, kind of on high, but yeah, just kind of cook it slow. Yeah, look at that, delicious. Set that to the side, like that. Now let's go check out these grits. It smells delicious. Sitting over there, you can smell it clear over there. But let's take a look at this. Whoa! Watch those hot coals by your foot, baby. Let's kind of, I should have got a fork. But I think, yeah, let's do 10 more minutes. And they should be good. So that is delicious.
That's awesome.
So yeah, 10 minutes, we'll be back to serve it up. Okay, we're ready. It smells so good. Yeah, let's try this out. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. Try and keep my shadow out of the frame. But look at that. Look at that cheese. Oh my heck.
Whoa. That's yummy.
Delicious. Delicious. So let's.
So good.
So there's that. So let's go over and get a couple strips of this delicious bacon. Yeah, yummy. And I'm gonna put a little Cholula on here. Yeah, that is so good. Oh, there goes the lid. Look, it's bouncing all the way down the stairs.
That was funny.
Yeah, look at that egg. Oh man, the cream cheese. Let's give it a try. Oh, yummy. Oh, that cream cheese is delicious with the peppers. Oh, that hot sauce, man, that's good. Try this bacon. Look how perfect. Nothing better than cooking in the outdoors. Do this bacon up, I could talk, but there you have it. Cheesy jalapeno grits in the Dutch oven. Campfire bacon cooked on the barbecue. Yummy. Hope you like this video. See you next time.